Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Jessie. If it's your first time here, I hope you're all doing well. I make videos like this 3 times a week, so consider hitting that subscribe button if you do want to see more videos from me. So today's ZARA haul is all about loungewear, and honestly loungewear is one of my favorite attires to wear because they're so comfortable. We're going to be unboxing, reviewing and trying on some of ZARA's loungewear. I'm super excited to share with you guys, so let's get started. So there's 2 packages here. As always, we are going to be unboxing. I'm going to give you my first impressions and then we'll try them on. Okay, so let's do the small one first. This is the hoodie. I believe this one is called the Pocket Sweatshirt. Obviously because there's a pouch pocket there. It feels really soft. This is in a size small, so I can tell already this definitely will be slightly oversized on me, but that just adds to how comfortable this is going to be. I don't think this is cropped though. I'm really loving this neutral sort of color. Can't wait to try this. I think this is awesome. It's got that oversized feel and the sleeves not too long, plus this elastic thing at the wrist really helps. Sometimes I really do prefer pockets on my hoodie because when it does get cold you need someone to put your hands, so this is perfect. Color is amazing, beige, neutral sort of colors I love. It's definitely comfortable, oversized, and not too tight. You can definitely use it to layer up. So yeah, I don't really have anything bad to say about this. It is a pretty basic hoodie. It does its job, but it's also very comfortable and very stylish. So that came in a box of its own. Let's open the big one now. I think they actually ended up refunding me one of the items because it was out of stock, but it's been so long I can't remember which one. Got another black hoodie here, also in a size small, but this one doesn't have the pouches. It's pretty much just a plain black hoodie. So this one is called the Basic Hooded Sweatshirt. Pretty self-explanatory. Material feels pretty soft just like the other one. Got the hood at the back, and pretty sure this is full-size sweater. Not really much to say about it. I guess it's like your basic hoodie as the title says. It is definitely comfortable. It's got a massive hoodie at the back, but it is definitely a little bit baggy on me, a little bit loose, which is perfect, the way I like it. The sleeves are not too long either. So here it is if I stretch it out. It's like that. No pockets on this, just a clean basic black hoodie. Definitely a wardrobe essential. Usually with hoodies with this length I like to wear biker shorts or tights or even track pants, and I sort of like to tuck it in a bit, just because for me this length is kind of like an awkward length. Unless I'm wearing biker shorts I can sort of let it out, but anything else I like to tuck it in a bit just so it looks a bit more styled. Love the neckline. This is definitely something that I can just throw on and go out and know that I'll be super comfortable in it. Next up is this set. This feels really soft. I feel like I'm hugging a blanket. I should actually just roll into this and sleep. This is an oversized sweater is what they've called it. It's in the color ecru, and the sleeves, it's got folded sleeves like this. I actually thought the sleeves were too long, they rolled it up, but nope, this is the detail of it. The sleeves fold up. The color is just so beautiful. I think neutral colors are really nice, and as always when you wear monochrome sort of fits, it just looks a lot more put together. It looks more deliberate because you're kind of matching top to bottom. But anyway, these are the matching joggers. Quite a thick waistband around here, so plenty of support. Drawstring waist if you do want it to be tighter. It's kind of cuffed at the bottom too. It's a little bit of elastic. I can't wait to try this. It is so soft. I feel like I'm going to be walking around with a blanket on me. It feels so comfortable. I am obsessed with this color and this look. Sleeves are definitely too long, but since it's loungewear and because it's going to be sort of cold, I don't mind this length at all. It's kind of loose fitting here, so you can definitely use it to layer up inside and wear more clothing underneath. I'm loving this color so much. I feel like it really goes with my skin tone. You can obviously wear sneakers and whatever with your loungewear, but if you really wanted to dress this up and be comfortable, you can definitely put a pair of boots over this and a leather jacket. This is so comfortable. I cannot stress how comfortable this set is. I am so in love with it. It's quite thin as well, so you can definitely use it to layer up. The fitting of this jumper is amazing. Even though it is oversized, it's not too baggy on me. So when I don't tuck it in, it kind of looks like pajamas. Onto the pants. The pants are great fitting. They are loose, they are comfy, they're not too long because it's got that cuff thing at the bottom, which helps me in terms of that. So it sits perfectly on my ankles. The waist is great, it fits me snugly, it doesn't fall down, plus it's got an extra set of drawstrings. The only thing is with these pants I've noticed is that they're a little bit see-through, so you can actually see the pockets at the front of the pants and you can actually see the label on the side. So I definitely recommend wearing nude colors underneath, otherwise it will show. Other than that, I think this is such a cute set. I'd definitely wear it out. Next is this acid wash t-shirt. So this is in a size small. Usually for loungewear, I prefer my t-shirts to be a little bit more baggier, and I really love the texture of this acid wash. It says on my phone, it's the Faded Effect Rib t-shirt in grey. Thought this was like a green blue teal color. Obviously this is a crew neck and it's got the rib details on the neckline, but I also just realized that on the sleeves as well it's got the same rib detail. Though this one is not oversized, it's still pretty loose on my body, so it's quite comfortable. I am obsessed with this color. I don't know why, but I'm really loving this washed out blue, teal, grey kind of color combination. So with this, I love the crew neck detail. It's got like ribbed detail across here and ribbed detail across the sleeve. I think with the sleeves, I probably prefer it without this thing. Awesome shirt, and it's just really comfortable. Next I have this pair of joggers. This is in a size extra small. Not your fleece material. These are sort of like a flowy, lightweight material. I love this baby blue color. It's just pastel-y blue, so pretty. It's got a drawstring waist on the front, and also it's cuffed at the bottom. With me, I love track pants or joggers with cuffs at the bottom because a lot of the time they are too long, and with cuffs it's a lot easier to wear and tighten and pull up. Cute. These are really comfortable because they're so lightweight and you actually don't feel like you're in anything. In terms of the waistline is perfect because there's so much elastic around the waistband. The waistband is actually quite thick, and then on top of that you've got the shoelace looking drawstrings that can make it even tighter if you need. The length is a little bit long on me, although because of the cuffed ankles I can still wear them. I feel like these pants would definitely look a little better on someone who is slightly taller. See how if I have them normally, you've got all this material down the bottom, whereas if I pull it up a bit on someone that is slightly taller, then you can actually see the details of the bottom, and the pants actually just look a bit more elongated. Next is this faded sweatshirt. This is also in a size small. I realized with a lot of the loungewear they didn't provide extra small, but that is completely fine because loungewear, I like it to be baggy. Oversized loungewear is the way to go for me, and I am obsessed with this color. This is in the color Stone. This feels super duper soft. It has to be comfortable. Definitely has the oversized feel as well. So this is, again, really comfortable. I think it's all made of the same material, fleece. The sleeves on this is actually quite longer than the other ones that we've tried. It's got that effortless kind of look. I am adoring this color. This one is definitely more of the oversized look if that's what you're going for. I think this sweater is so cute. I love this. Final thing we purchased is a white t-shirt. What is a loungewear without a white t-shirt? This is an essential in my wardrobe. This t-shirt is actually in a size small, but in an oversized fit. It looks pretty big, definitely compared to the shirt that I'm wearing now. I don't think this came in extra small, so hopefully this isn't too big on me. Way too large. It's definitely oversized. So I think when I purchase oversized clothing, I need to go a size down, otherwise it's already oversized and then it becomes way too big. So this is definitely way too big, like it's not even wearable. I realized the t-shirt has a split down the sides, So it's split together so you can actually tuck it in because it is oversized. But also realize that the front and the back is not the same length. So the back is slightly longer. Either way, I think this is way too big on me. I think for this, stay to your true size or maybe size down if you're on more of the petite side like me. Otherwise, yeah, this is what you get. It's quite large. Other than that, great material, really soft. We've come to the end of our try on haul. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful or if you just enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you do want to see more videos from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!